Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, hello, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our English class with Teacher Yet. How are you today? I hope all of you are doing fine, Alhamdulillah. Yesterday, we had read a story about Tiny the mouse and Leo the lion. Today, we will read another interesting story about Badang and the king of the crocodiles. So, are you ready to read the story? If you are ready, grab your textbook and turn to page 90. Let's begin. First, let me tell you about our learning objective for today. Our learning objective for today are: by the end of our lesson, people should be able to: first, listen and read for pleasure, and second is to revise vocabularies and structures learned in previous lessons. Before we proceed with our lesson, let us learn some vocabularies. You may refer to your textbook, page 90. First is bamboo. 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 Buluh. Second is medicine. 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 Ubat-ubatan. Third is back. 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 Belakang. Fourth is princess. 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 Puteri. Fifth is sword. 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 Pedang. Sixth is village. 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 Kampung. Seventh is jewel. 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 Permata. And the last one is palace. 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 Istana. The title of our story for today is Badang and the King of the Crocodiles. Badang was a doctor and he helped many people. One day, while he was walking by a bamboo field, an old man came up to him. "My daughter is ill," the old man said to Badang. "Please come to the palace and save her. I can give you a lot of gold." "The palace? Who is this old man?" thought Badang. But he wanted the gold, so he said, "Of course I can help." "Come with me into the river," said the old man, and he turned into a crocodile. Badang was scared. "I don't have medicine for crocodiles," he said, "and I can't swim." In our palace, we are not crocodiles. We become people like you, said the crocodile. You don't need to swim. I am the king of the crocodiles and I can carry you. So Badang sat on the crocodile's back and went to the palace. The king's daughter, the princess, was very ill, but Badang saved her. The king was very happy. Take all the gold you want, he said. And take this jewel sword too. But don't tell others about us. You must promise to keep our secret. I promise, said Badang. But when he got back to his village, he told his friend Tabiko about the crocodiles. Tabiko was excited. He started to think about how he could get some of the crocodile king's gold too. Gold. That's the end of our story. So, what do you think about the story? I think the story is full of adventure and show us some important value. What is the value that we can get from the story? Yes, always keep our promises. For tutorial, read again the story and answer the questions. Do them in your E2. You may use these 5 options to complete your tutorial. They are: first, he is scared. Second, he saved the king's daughter. Third, he sits on the crocodile's back. Fourth, he wants the gold. And the last one is, he promises to keep their secret. The first question is, why does Badang decided to help the old man? Second, how does Badang feel when the old man turns into a crocodile? Third, how does Badang go to the crocodile king's palace? Fourth, what does Badang do at the palace? And the last question is, what does Badang promise the king? That's all. Bye.